Hey everyone, Honda's back at it again, always coming up with something new and exciting. This time they've made something really cool with their hybrid cars. It's called the S Plus Shift, and it's not just some made-up name. We've all driven those hybrids that feel slow and boring, right? No fun at all. Well, Honda's S Plus Shift changes everything. It makes hybrids sporty and exciting. This isn't just a small change, it's a whole new way their hybrid system works. It's about making driving fun again, feeling connected to the car, and let me tell you, they did a great job. So, how does this S Plus Shift magic work? It's pretty simple. First, forget those old CVT gearboxes that make a droning sound. S Plus Shift makes the engine speed change like a regular automatic, so you get that satisfying push when you step on the gas. Second, it gives you a quick, clean gear change. It's not clunky or slow like some hybrids. It feels crisp and satisfying. You feel totally in control. Finally, S Plus Shift keeps the engine running at the best speed. This means you get power when you need it and save fuel when you don't. It's a tricky balance, but Honda nailed it. Okay, enough with the technical stuff. What does this mean for you when you're driving? One word: excitement. Take it for a drive on a twisty road and you'll feel the difference. The S Plus Shift responds quickly and smoothly to everything you do. It's like the car knows what you want to do next. Remember that feeling of being stuck to the road? That rush when you speed up out of a turn? S Plus Shift brings that feeling back. And the best part is, you still get all the good things about a hybrid. You save fuel and help the environment, all while having a blast. Honda's S Plus Shift is more than just a clever invention. It's a big deal. It shows that hybrids don't have to be boring, that you can have fun and save fuel. This technology could change everything, even making people who love gas-powered cars switch to hybrids. Imagine a future where every car is fun to drive and good for the environment. With things like S Plus Shift, that future is closer than you think. Honda did it again. They pushed the limits and showed everyone what's possible. Now, if you'll excuse me, there's a certain hybrid car with my name on it that I need to take for a spin.